Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can convert photo to vector in mobile. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. The first step you need to do is to open any browser. Once you open any browser, you simply need to type photo to vector and you will find different websites. So I'm going to select the second one, and here you need to upload image, and then you need to click on files and select a photo. So I'm going to select from my gallery a person photo, so this photo that I want to convert into vectorize. So now photo is uploading and it will vectorize my photo, so it will take few seconds to do that and it will convert my photo into vector. So wait for a few seconds. So now it is working and it will convert my photo into vector. So here you can see that you can select color, alignment, different things. Okay, and once it is done, you simply need to click on download in the right bottom corner. So this is the process by which you can convert photo to vector in mobile. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.